In this video, you'll learn how to close background apps on your Pixel 8a. By the end of this guide, you will be able to manage your active applications effectively, which can enhance your device's performance and battery life. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of your Pixel 8a screen and hold your finger briefly until the Recent Apps view opens. This action reveals all the apps currently running on your device, displayed as cards. You can scroll left or right to navigate through the list of open applications. It is important to identify which apps you wish to close at this stage. Next, if you want to close individual apps, simply swipe up on the card of the app you wish to remove from the background. This action will instantly close the app. You can repeat this process for any other apps that you also want to close. Remember that closing unused applications can help to improve your device's performance and reduce battery consumption. However, exercise caution to avoid closing any essential apps that you may need. After you've closed the individual apps, you may wish to clear all background applications at once. To do this, scroll to the end of the app list and look for the option labeled Clear All. Tapping this button will close all background apps simultaneously. This is particularly useful when you want to start fresh with your device. After clearing, consider reopening only the apps that you truly need to maintain smooth performance. It is a good practice to repeat this process periodically, especially when you notice that your device is slowing down or the battery is draining quickly. Closing background apps regularly can contribute to better efficiency and overall device health. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.